Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Hyundai i20, stock number 6122. This ran from 07/2010 to 12/2015. It has a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 15-inch aftermarket wheel flat tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate has clear peeling, right rear tail light, right rear 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,